What's up, HVAC contractors? My name is Catherine, and on today's episode, we're going to go over exactly how the current website and HVAC owner that I was speaking to on LinkedIn is costing him jobs booked because he has a lead generating team that overall is giving him the traffic, but he still hasn't received many phone calls. And so we'll be comparing that with the new website I've made. And like I said, this video is for people who are in the home service industry and are running marketing like Google Ads, have an SEO team behind them, but are just not getting enough calls because the website they have right now is just looking pretty. Why does this matter? Because like I said, if you are running a team and you're not wasting, but in this sense you are, because if you don't have an optimized website, what's the point of having a team behind that? So that's where it matters. If you have a team and there's no, return on the marketing you're doing, it's most likely because your website is just not converting well. It's not converting visitors into real leads. There aren't any real offers. There aren't any unique selling points. The follow-up system that you probably have on your website is not overall following up as well as you would hope for to get actual qualified appointments booked in. And most importantly, you're just leaving a bunch of money on the table. And that's why this video will help you overall address certain elements in your website you could fix, so that way you could start getting money if you're running Google Ads and SEO. And the way I'm going to show that is exactly by comparing the website I've created for the contractor, the HVAC contractor, and compare it with his previous website he has going, so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. And this again works for people who are already running Google Ads, who are already running SEO, or generally for people who really want to create a website that has the ability and the potential to convert leads when you have strategies and marketing campaigns set in place to generate and push people to your website. And this works for people who are overall on Instagram, on Facebook, or on Google and have that digital presence already. So when you should have this website set up? So when should you start optimizing for your website? When should be the right time to look into potentially converting visitors into calls booked? Well, in my opinion, it should be from day one. But if you are already a business and you're solely dependent on referrals, you are spending money on ads, you are spending money on an SEO team, but you just don't have returns right now, this is when you should start focusing on the hub of your business, which is the website. So we're going to go over the first section of the website I've built out, and it's called Above the Fold, where stats show most people will spend their time on. So this is the most important part of your website. Okay, so from the bat, you could just tell the website I've created here, there's social proof. Why is that so important? When the person lands on your website, they need to automatically know that this website is trusted and is feasible, or else people just don't want to waste their time on a business or a service that doesn't have social proof. It doesn't have the backing of society to show it's credible. And if you compare it to this website here, the existing website, there isn't any social proof, and that's a problem. That's a massive problem. It's the most important thing you should have as soon as a person lands. And so the next thing I want to go over is that there's also a unique selling point in the landing page, the above fold section. 15 plus years of affordable HVAC solutions. That is insanely valuable. If you've been around for 15 plus years, people need to know that. People want to know that, because then they can really then just off the bat, just again, furthermore trust that this person is reliable, is efficient, and has the ability to deliver the solutions better than they could even think of. And the existing website here does not really have that. There isn't any unique selling points. And if there is, it's in such small letters that no one was really going to actually pay attention and want to read through. People are very quick with the way they scan things. And so that's off the bat something I wanted to discuss. Another thing is that the only way that the person, or there's two ways, there's this person, that a fake robot here, and then there's a phone number, compared to this website where I have actually, it's really important because I actually have the owner's icon in the web chat. I have a conditioned form fill out where you could pretty much have all the details necessary for the person to go over and explain to them your problems and your solutions. And most importantly, this person can directly book a call, can book the service from your website and have it linked to your calendar, your team's calendar. And then from there can start booking calls and booking jobs. That off the bat, just from the landing page, that's all there, compared to this existing website that just has a phone number and a fake AI chatbot that no one's really going to want to answer, because no one really wants to talk to an AI chatbot. And some people will call, but what if, let's say it's, 6 p.m. on a Friday? Are you really going to pick it up? Are you going to really pick up the phone? Who knows? Maybe if you're, driven owner, but at the end of the day, the goal of you as a business owner isn't to answer as many calls as possible. It's to create as many systems as possible that leverage the amount of calls that are getting, so that over time you can drastically scale your company to multiple locations, take time for yourself rather than having the business own you, and then from there just continuously compound that. So that should be the goal, and that's what this website is clearly missing. So as you get down, you scroll down, there's some offers here, call for a free quote, and all of this just looks highly unprofessional, a blocky text. You could, after having to scroll, a little bit, you then understand this is AC heating commercial. It just really doesn't have the well-adapted design to understand that these are all the various different services we provide. These are all the various different offers. So it's so important in general, when you have a website, you want to lay down every type of offer you provide as a business owner off the bat. And so this is where this website that I've created comes into play. You see AC conditioning systems, heating systems, air ventilation systems, and you scroll down, boom, more social proof. This person is, has quality reviews. There's unique selling points. We're not just, book a free quote. There's 24/7 response available. We've worked with this amount of home service businesses before. All these are the different types of services we provide. You just don't find that with this website. It's very, very cookie cutter. There's just, not enough copy, not enough content on the website for you to fully understand what's going on. And there's, again, more reasons to why you should work with this business. So more reasons to show the customer, show the buyer that this business that, we actually serve that problem better than all the 10 other businesses that you've looked at, because we provide smart thermostat upgrades. We have energy efficient HVAC systems, do all this. And now, boom, we actually have pricing there. We're very transparent. We have pricing available so that if you did want to book a job, schedule a call, that, buyer's intent is already there. There's no negotiation as to what are your prices. You already understand that this is what we do and this is how we could offer it for you. And if you have these problems listed, we provide those solutions. And then another element that my website has is that it overall goes through all the different kinds of social proof. So now we have Google reviews, we have the number of, we have stats, we have quantitative stats right here. We show actually the reviews, and then again, all these quantitative stats. We now actually have video reviews. That's so important. This website that the current client has doesn't have any sort of video reviews, and stats do show, like I said, it's all about the stats. The stats show that when you have video testimonials on your website, it converts like hell. Like, you get conversions through the roof because people need to know what they're getting themselves into. It's really that simple. And it's like, you are talking to a random stranger. If you start showing them pictures of your family, if you start showing them anything, of other people, that itself builds trust automatically. That person can connect in some way or shape or form right on that website without having to call you, without having that extra, friction as to how do I get myself to trust this business. You've already delivered people trust elements on a silver platter for them to connect with. So hopefully that makes sense. There's more aspects to this website. You can actually buy products directly on this website. You can actually make the decision, okay, the reason why I'm on this website completely aligns with my goal, which is needing to get a remote control for the AC unit, or, there's actual, solid solutions provided. So that's pretty much the basis. Again, more social proof. There's actually a location. This isn't the right location, but go with it. This is the location of their office. So because we, are a home service business, we want to make sure that we're not just, somewhere in Taiwan. We're actually in the area that the person needs the service for. That's huge, because just think about it. You are looking for AC installation. This isn't you going on Zara.com or Amazon.com and you're, buying plastic cups. You're actually requesting someone to come into your office, to your building, to your property, and do the service for you. And so that requires that person or office home base to be around your area. And so that's where that element comes in play, and why it's so important to have your map on your overall website landing page. And so This is briefly the reasons why this current website I've created for the client is a lot better than his existing website. And if you guys have any questions, I'm going to be linking a document that fully goes over every type of element. And that way it's very easy for you now to check off, does this website that I have right now, I'm running Google Ads for my SEO for, is it going to convert? And will it have all the elements listed in my document that I will provide for you guys? Does it have all these elements? And if it doesn't have all these elements, let's start putting them in, because overall Kat knows what she's talking about, and she knows that if you are serious about actually getting people to call you to want to make that decision to work with you and not the 20 other people they've looked at online, it's because all these elements are in place. It's as simple as that. If you guys have questions, let me know. I don't want to make this video long. And the most important element here, I would say, if I had to pick one thing, it would be the fact that there's multiple ways social proof is conveyed indirectly. So have a great day, guys. It's Friday. Memorial weekend's ahead. If anyone has questions on how to upgrade your website so that way you actually start getting calls booked directly into your calendar, hit me up and I'll send you that document. We can have that one-on-one consultation. Cheers. Have a great day. Peace.